Hey guys, Michelle Massio here. Thanks for checking out my video. This video, we're going to talk about how to make money from stocks. Making money from stocks is so much easier than you think it might be. And I'm going to teach you this all in under 3 minutes. Get ready. Let's dive in. The biggest way that you can make money from stock is that when you buy a stock and the price goes up, you get capital appreciation, also called an unrealized gain. Let's go through a quick example. Let's say you buy 100 shares of AT&T stock, and let's say you pay $30 per share. If the price goes up to $35 per share, that means you make $5 per share. $5 times 100 shares, you just made $500 in unrealized gain. You can also make money with dividends. Some companies pay a dividend, which is a distribution of profits the company shares with its shareholders. For example, AT&T pays 52 cents for every share every quarter, so 100 shares will get you an extra $208 per year. Absolute favorite ways to make money with stocks is by selling covered calls. You get extra now money if you agree to sell your shares at a certain price. Watch one of my other videos for more information. You can also make money selling a stock short. Many people don't realize this, but if you expect the price of a stock to go down, you can sell it short and make money as it goes down in value. Everyone should be trading stocks. Here's a chart of the stock market since 1900. It's made an average of nearly 10% per year. I hope you liked the video on how to make money with stocks. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.